Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Sense 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. Let's start by pressing and holding the side button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. So press and hold the button. After the watch turns off, keep holding it for a couple more seconds. And then you can release the button once you see the Fitbit logo on the screen. And once you release the button, wait until the watch is done rebooting. And as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.